Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Tomarket to Bitget Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, open the Telegram app and make sure you are logged in. After that, go to the Tomarket app bot and open it up. Then tap on the Start button and you will be redirected to this page. Here you have to tap on this wallet option at the top right. Once you are on this page, tap on this View in Bitget Wallet option and it will open up your Bitget Wallet application. After that, it will ask you to connect your Bitget wallet to Tomarket app. Simply tap on this Add button. Then you have to provide your wallet password. Once you do that, wait for a bit, and then in some time you will see your wallet has been connected to Tomarket app. So that's basically how you can connect Tomarket to Bitget Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.